Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video I just want to give you a tour of the studio here in Houston, Texas. Now this is a studio we use for short form content mainly. Short form content, podcasts, these are our two main things that we record over here. So the thing I like about the studio, and I'll give you a tour as well, let me rotate this. So the thing about the studio is every square inch of this particular room can be utilized to every single thing. So for example, this one, like I have the camera over here. Let me turn this on as well so you can kind of see. So this was a setup I was using. I don't know if you can see that. The setup is pretty simple. I had a light over there and another light over there. So it just kind of gives me two separate options of colors. And it just kind of looks neat on the overall final result. I'll just pull it up on the screen as well. And the TV over here acts as a blank canvas. So you can put it wherever you want, depending on the scene. And then of course you have your artwork over here, which kind of makes it as a complete set overall. Then we have this mirror over here, which has its own light. So if anybody wants to do kind of like a wardrobe change or just kind of check their makeup and stuff, you have this light. You change this color. It's pretty good. I really like this. I got this off on Amazon. It's a very solid light. I highly recommend you check this out. Moving on towards our most used set, and one of our bigger set is this one. So this set is used for reels. It's used for podcasts. Like I said, most popular set over here because the wooden wall, can't really go wrong with a wooden wall. It just looks beautiful and you can just add elements onto there. We also have a lot of props over here that are used for all types of things, and we'll get to this room in a minute. But yeah, very solid. And then we have the cyc wall over here. And the cyc wall is basically, if you want to do a quick photo shoot, we can set up the cameras over here, and then it'll kind of give you like a blank canvas for some cool portraits, cool website shots, social media shots, and all sorts of things here. And this could also be used for interviews. We have used it in the past. So like I said, it's a white wall and it could be transformed into pretty much anything we want. Even myself, I've used so many parts of the set in reels. So I've used that set. I've like done something in this corner with the black and the wooden part. I've used the full wooden wall. I've done it over here with me just standing, remove the carpet, and it's just like a whole white cyc wall over here. It just looks very cool. I'll be adding examples as well, as you can see on the screen at the moment. Let's move on to this room over here. Now this room is mainly production. It always stays messy. So this is where I sit, social media stuff, videography stuff, and of course we have the props. This is still something that's being worked on. We're going to put like a shelf over here to organize all this stuff, like a charging station and all that. But yeah, this is all the equipment. And then, you know, snacks and stuff that needs to be organized as well. But yeah, this is where we kind of see the whole podcast stuff going on out there, or reels. This is where we can get like a good preview. And of course we have an iPad that is connected to the teleprompter right there. And if you don't know what a teleprompter is for any reason, it is just something that can help you read whatever you are seeing on camera. So the camera is kind of in the center over here, is right over here. And how it works is it'll just put words right in front of the lens and you just read it. So as you're reading it, it'll look like you're looking at the camera, but in reality, you're just reading off a script. So that is pretty cool as well. But all in all, I think this is pretty much it for the studio tour. Let me know what you guys think about this. And yeah, if you're in the Houston area looking to get some content done, of course, like content is just like step one of the processes we offer. There's like content, ads, automation. We will level funnel for you. So if you're a service-based business, it doesn't have to be in Houston, but if you are in Houston, you can kind of get the benefit of the studio. But if you're not, no worries, we use virtual setups as well. Yeah, so if you're interested in using any of that, there's a Calendly link right in the description below. You can give us a call. And yeah, other than that, I have like a newsletter that I post 5 times a week, like 5 short emails. Value-packed, very short reads. I post it in the morning. So yeah, that's the link in the description as well. If you have any questions or any comments, just leave it in the comment section below. Also make sure to like and subscribe because that kind of helps the channel as well. And I'll see you in the next one.